Woo! This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our afternoon update, guys. Wow, the OG is still in lockdown. I think we're getting like 41, 42 days here in Vietnam. So, guys, just want to say I love you guys. Today we got lots to talk about. We're going to talk about Bitcoin on-chain analysis. We're going to talk about, are the Bitcoin addresses lagging behind the price? What's causing that? Are we bullish? Are we bearish? We're also going to talk about a new pattern that's formed for Dogecoin. It's a cup and handle pattern, and we're going to talk about resistance. We're going to talk about support levels. What does that mean for you? Are we breaking out? Are we going down? Should we be selling our Dogecoin? We're going to be talking about that. Should we be selling our Dogecoin right now? What should we do? Because I know a lot of you are panicking right now. A lot of you are kind of like going, "Oh, the sky's falling down. Everything is going crazy." But don't panic. Everything is going to be revealed in this video. So you got to watch the video to end. We're also going to talk about regulation. Looks like September 27th is going to be the big day that they're going to vote on regulation. We're going to talk about that, how that's going to affect the crypto markets. So you got to watch this video to the end. You got to be in it to win it. And I just want to say, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this stream. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! From Crypto Daily Trade Signals, just offering my opinion. This video is intended for educational purposes only. And once again, this is not financial advice. Do your own risk management, ladies and gentlemen. It's really important. Don't be an armchair investor. Take the time, do the research, read the articles, see what's going on, and don't believe everything you read on Twitter. Don't believe everything you see on YouTube. Do your own research. Remember, it's your money. Make sure you do that. And don't forget to smash the likes. Subscribe right now. So let's jump into it right now. So right now, let's look at some on-chain data and article regarding Bitcoin. So some Bitcoin on-chain activity lags behind price action. So we're seeing that right now. We can see that there is a lag between the Bitcoin price and the number of addresses. So this is really important because we can see that, we need to have these addresses, and these addresses are right here. We need to have these addresses. Anything plus 1 million addresses is really a very bullish signal. But what we're seeing now is we're actually seeing that these addresses right here are actually behind where they need to be in terms of where Bitcoin is. So there's two scenarios for that. There's two reasons for that. So on examining the above graph, there's two things that become apparent. First, the number of active addresses right now is about 900K. I just said that. And this shows that the indicator has certainly recovered since its lows of 750 after the price crash. So it's come back up. So that's a good thing. But, second, while Bitcoin price has now risen above 50K, the activity hasn't shown a big spike. So we can see that there's been a big spike in price, but we haven't seen a huge, a spike that correlates to the price action. So this is really important to understand. So the active addresses are still at the same levels they were during the summer of 2020, or when the price was around about 10K. So we're really not seeing much activity in terms of these addresses. During the bull run in early 2020, the same metric crossed 1.2. So like I said earlier, for us to really see and believe that we're in a bull run, we need to see these active addresses increases. So there's two reasons why this could be happening. Okay, one is good, one is now. Not one is good. One is good, one is not good. Confusion. Lockdown. I'm in lockdown. All right, so the first reason that the number of active addresses could be low is a bearish signal. So low active addresses means that there's bearish signal. People not interested in Bitcoin, and they really don't care. So Bitcoin at the moment, so they haven't moved their investments, right? So that's why, because they haven't moved their investment into Bitcoin. So that's another reason. The other reason that the more investors are now viewing BTC as a store of value, and they have no reason to move their coins around. So basically, there's two reasons in summary. One, that people don't want to invest in Bitcoin; they're keeping their investments on the sidelines. Or the other reason is people that have huge Bitcoin accounts or massive Bitcoin wallets, the whales, they don't want to move their Bitcoins around, and they're just hodling and waiting for an upside. So there's two scenarios. One is bullish, one is bearish. It depends on how you see things. So considering that Bitcoin is now quickly falling down after the break of 50K level, a lack of network activity may indeed suggest a bearish pattern. But if we look out, we can see that BTC sharply slips downwards after a touch of 50K. So we're seeing that right here, that after it hit 50K, it's come down again. So I believe personally, it's not financial advice, that this really has to do with the open options expiry on the 27th, and the market makers are pushing the price down. It's a bit of manipulation. And I believe that the reason we're seeing less active addresses is not because there's more interest, not because there's lack of interest in Bitcoin. It's because huge whale wallets are not moving around their Bitcoin, and that's why we're seeing a supply shock on the exchanges. So that's where I see it. Some other interesting news to support my theory is this. You guys should take a look at Mr. Anderson at TrueCrypto.28. Go and follow him. And he's saying the real bubble is coming. In May 2020, BTC was at 8K. I put out a call for a relatively straight shot to 60K. Even I'm amazed by the precision here. But the key takeaway now is if and when this line is broken, we are quickly going to never land. So what he's saying that if we take a look at this line, he's drawn this line that goes all the way back to 2016, and he's saying what we need to do is, if we see Bitcoin start to break above this line, that we're going to see Bitcoin just go to the moon. So we can see the end of this line is $90,000, and so they're saying to go above this line, and the back hole, basically saying if we go above this line, we're going to the moon, guys. We're absolutely going to the moon. And I believe he's right. I still believe there's a lot of gas in the tank. And he's also saying here, you can see that back in May 2020, when BTC was at 8K, I put a call off a relatively straight line shot at 60K. And that happened. I did so with the use of a long-term cycle algo that I use in this exact chart. Even I'm amazed at the precision. So he was exactly right. So if you see this line that he has drawn all the way back from here, it goes all the way up. It cut through the 60K. It actually reached the 60K. So he's calling that we could be seeing in January, we could be seeing at 80 to 90K. So based on this and plan B, everything's looking pretty good that we're going to see that moonshot for BTC going up to 100K. So there's a lot of data to support that 100K is incoming, and if that happens, it's going to mean that Dogecoin is absolutely going to go up. So if we look at the technical chart right now for Bitcoin on the 1-day chart, you can still see that the volumes are pretty light. We're still trading at 48,800 and some change, and we have this overhead resistance at 50,000. Once again, the reason we are not over 50,000 is because the open options expiry on the weekend. That's what's happening, everyone. That is what's happening. It's because of the open options. And so guys, stop panicking. I know a lot of people have been panicking. My phone blew up this morning, like at 3:30, 4 o'clock Vietnam time. My phone was blowing up with people, being weak Nancy's, wetting the bed, going, the sky's falling. Guys, stop it. You can see here that the Bitcoin price here, it only went down like 2 or 3%. This is a nothing burger. If we see a 50% correction, okay, then you can panic. But, we did see that big 50% correction here in May, but it was a nothing burger. We're back up again. Remember, crypto has cycles, has boom to bust cycles, and we went all the way down from our May highs. Now we're going back up. This is the second leg of the crypto bull run. It's going to be foamy. It's going to be frothy. It's going to be on fire, guys. So you guys just have to stop panicking and relax and take a chill pill. Let's take a look at Ethereum right now. Ethereum is doing the same thing. It's been doing the same thing for a couple of days. It's just kind of range bound. And right now Ethereum is at 3,187 and is just above the support line of 3,281. So let's see, guys. Nothing really is going to happen. We're going to see some dips, but I believe that this weekend it's going to happen. Remember, we also got this Fed finance meeting this week. We need to see the outcomes of that. We got the options expiry day. So guys, stop panicking. You guys are giving me a headache. You're like babies. Stop being babies, guys. So that's Ethereum right now. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is doing exactly the same thing. It's broken down, and right now it's trading at $71. It hit a high of 78. So it's just following Bitcoin's going down, so everything's going down. So don't panic. Stop it. ADA right now is at $2.75, and I did tell you that we could be seeing that ADA is oversold now. We could be seeing ourselves going back down to $2.20 area. That could happen, absolutely could happen. And then we have overhead resistance at $3. So we need to break past that, guys. Don't panic. So some other news right now we're seeing before we jump into Doge is if we take a look at Doge right now and some on-chain data and analysis, does Dogecoin need to take a breather before making another run? Yes, perhaps it does. You're seeing that Bitcoin is taking a breather, Ethereum is taking a breather, all the coins are taking a breather. That's because Bitcoin is down, because Bitcoin dominance is still pretty high, so it's over 43%. So that's why everything is down a little bit. It's a little bit. It's not like a big, huge down. It's not like a huge Debbie Downer. It's just down a little bit. And remember, zoom out. The trend is your friend, and look out for a trendy Wendy. Okay, guys. So if we look at this, there's a new pattern forming. It's a cup and handle pattern, and we can see that this cup and handle pattern is actually forming. You can see here, this is the cup, this is a handle, and we have support here at 15 cents, and we have overhead resistance at 45 cents. So you can see here we're around about here right now. And I believe that this cup and handle is a very bullish pattern. It's a long-term pattern. Are we going to see 45 cents coming in? Absolutely, 45 cents is coming in. It's just a matter of time. So stop panicking. Stop wetting the bed. This is just a little bit of a correction consolidation. What you got to do now is dollar cost average, buy the dippy whippies. So yeah, we're seeing that Dogecoin has been forming cup and handle, a pattern higher towards. Dogecoin has been forming a cup pattern higher towards a resistance level. The crypto made a decent test run last week, and now it's cooling off and moving back towards a support from the cup pattern. Right? So basically, it's a cup and handle pattern. Nothing too big to worry about. As long as we stay above the support level, we have a huge resistance over 45 cents. We're definitely going to get there. So bullish traders would like to see Dogecoin bounce off the cup and handle pattern and support continue to move higher along the pattern. Bulls would then see the crypto breakout above 45 cents. So 45-cent breakout is incoming. It's a matter of when. Where do I see Dogecoin and the crypto in September? I believe September is going to be a little bit bearish. It's going to be a much slower drive up to 45 cents. We'll get there eventually in September, and then October is going to be a huge upside for all cryptos, but September is going to be a bit more bearish. There's going to be less movement, less momentum, but we will achieve 45 cents in September. I'm pretty confident of that. I'm pretty hopeful if all these patterns form out. And as you guys know, if you can see this, we have this big asymmetrical triangle. We broke down yesterday. We need to get back in there. We need to get back in this asymmetrical triangle before we see any breakouts. And this is this big cup and handle pattern here that I'm talking about. So this is the cup here, right? Okay, and then this is the handle. All right. So this is typically a very bullish indicator. So we have this huge cup and handle forming here. This is the handle right here. So at this point, we should be able to break out from here. So if we take the top of the cup here, draw it along here, and if we measure from the top of the cup, remember this is rough, guys, so don't beat me up in the comments. And then we take this, and then we take it to the bottom of the handle here, and then go up here. Whoops-a-daisy. That should give us, that could take us as high as 52 cents, guys. So and that's just very archaic measurement here. I mean, I could be more precise, but if we take, this is the cup, you can see the cup, this is the handle, and if we take the top of the cup here to the bottom of the cup here, which is around here, and we take that to the point of breakout, we could see ourselves going up to 52 cents. Not too far in the distant future, guys. So that's where the technicals are pointing. And remember, Doge often likes to kind of go down and meander and kind of meander around, and then suddenly we'll have this explosive upside. And that's what we're going to see for Doge. We're going to see an explosive upside coming soon. Exactly when, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but definitely 52 cents is incoming. We're looking at a target date of 26th of September. to see ourselves at 52 cents. So let's draw the 52 cents here. And let's do a regression. So we could be looking like something like that. All right, so that's probably a pattern that we could be forming. Who knows? I think, you know, like I said, 60% we're going up, but you just guys have to be patient. This is a business of being patient. Don't panic, guys. All right. So, you know, 52 cents coming in by the end of September. It's possible. We could hopefully be back above 35 cents this weekend, depending on how things happen. Now, you guys know about this. This is a big ascending triangle on the 4-hour chart. Right now, we've broken down the worst case scenarios. We're going down to 20 cents. But like I said, on the 1-day chart, we have this big cup and handle that's formed. You can see it's right there. It's pretty clear. It's printed, and that's typically a very bullish indicator. Go to Investopedia, do search cup and handle, and you can read all about it. All right, guys. So some other news is we got all this regulation stuff that's happening. So there's a lot of articles about it. This is also not helping as well. So we got all this regulation FUD that's coming out right now. That's not helping. And the infrastructure bill is set for September 27th. So, and I'm sure it's going to pass. And when that happens, it's not going to be good for the markets. We're probably, you know, once again, this is going to be buy the rumor, sell the news. So that's probably why we're seeing, because the date is now set in stone. So this is another reason why we're seeing the markets down, because of this. It's confirmed when the vote is. We got the options expiry, and also we got this big Fed meeting. That's got this big Fed finance meeting coming up this week. So these are the three main catalysts, the three stories that are affecting the cryptos right now. So you guys just kind of have to be patient. Wait for this the options expiry contracts on Friday. So hopefully this weekend we should start to see some recovery, crypto recovery. So it's actually happening. But guys, gals, please keep your eye on this. This couple handle pattern is forming. This is a long-term pattern. This is not like, you know, we're going up tomorrow to 52 cents. This would probably take us till, you know, September, end of September 26th, before we see 52 cents incoming. So put that date on your calendar. 52 cents incoming September 26th. And I might be wrong. You know, this is 60% probability. TA only works until it doesn't. So you guys need to be mindful of that. So you guys know about this huge Doge wallet. Somebody just bought $1.3 billion worth of Doge. So once again, I'm going to repeat myself in case you missed an earlier video. Somebody with this kind of money does not invest this amount of Doge unless they know what they're doing. Who could this be? Could it be Robinhood? Maybe. It could be Robinhood. Maybe this is their prelude to starting the wallets. This could be Robinhood, guys. So keep an eye on that. I'll keep you updated. So let's jump into the market marks, and then we'll let you get out of here. Remember, keep watching this to the end. Right now, the total market cap is at 2.9 trillion, and the volume is at 79 billion. And Bitcoin dominance is up from yesterday, and it's at 43.24. So it's not too bad. It's not. We still need to see that come down. Right now, the Bitcoin price is at 48,147. That's down 2.23%. And, you know, our all-time high was 49, 24-hour all-time high was at 49,851. And our low today was 47. So we're kind of mid-range, right? ETH right now is at 3,181, and we're below our 3,182 support levels. That's not good. And we're down 4% right now, so that's not good. And we had a high today of 33.57 and a low of 31.58. And you know, we are down 4%. So ADA is at $2.74, and that's at 4.17%. We had a high today of 2.92 and a low of 2.62. BNB right now is also down, and that's at 483. We hit a high of 499 today and a low of 466, so we're kind of printed in the middle. And my Doge in the house is at 29 cents. We had a high of 31.7, and we had a low of 28. So we're a little bit just above the low. So, and we're down 6.6%. So, you know, don't panic, guys. This is a good opportunity to go bargain hunting. I got my dollar cost average day coming in tomorrow. So, guys, just chilly willy. If it's driving you nuts, close your portfolio, stop looking at it, and come back a week later. That's all I got to say to you guys. All right, so let's take a look at the crypto daily trade signals portfolio. And despite what everybody's saying and everyone's panicking and everyone's going nuts, remember this portfolio is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. If you decide to copy any part of this portfolio, you do it solely at your own risk. And remember, the portfolio is still up 47% from July 2nd. So if you are following this portfolio, you shouldn't be panicking. You shouldn't be wetting the bed. You shouldn't be weak Nancy's. We're doing just fine. So you can see right now that we're up 47.83%. Let's call it 48%. And the portfolio profit today is $2,415. So yeah, we're down $341 from yesterday's high, but still, our portfolio is at $7,414, so we're still in positive territory. So don't panic, guys. And once again, follow me on Twitter. Do it now. Smash the likes, subscribe, and go to my links. We got tons of links. Remember, this is not financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict. Check out Zen Music Addict. If you need to chill, find your soul, and just chill, because you guys are probably all freaking out because the markets are going down. You need to go here, lay on the bed, lay on your sofa, turn this on, close your eyes, and just relax and feel the good vibe. Remember, my channel is about spreading love, about spreading the good vibe. And if you're watching this, don't forget super chats to help support the charity. And also become a Patreon member. We got a channel builder. We got a portfolio builder membership, so we'll help you build a portfolio. You may want to check that out. Buy the channel a coffee. And guys, go to my merch. You want to check out the merch. We got hats. We got hoodies. We got all sorts of stuff, guys. We've even got hoodies for girls. We got pajamas for girls. And also we got some other kind of great merch out there too. We've got the pillow. We got the pillow. And we've also got the backpacky backpack. I love the backpack. You guys want it? We got tons of colors, guys. Who wouldn't want all this kind of stuff? So get a pillow. I love it, guys. So I just want to say, God bless you all. Woo! I'm so excited. Even though the markets are down, I'm still happy. I'm in lockdown. I got sea. I got mountains. I got you. And remember, I'm working for you. So tell me what I can do. Tell me how I can improve things in the comments. I really appreciate that. I love you guys to death. Woo! This is a great time to be alive, guys. Smash the likes. God bless each and every one of you. Hug your wife. Hug your kids. Go with God. Be neighborly. Woo!